Laying low, no place to go. Then Babuji took me to the Haveli. Perform Janansi. That's your responsibility.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite baby girl, Talk with Fresh. Welcome to the channel again. And today I'm going to be giving you the top movie for the night. It's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. So yeah, I'm going to give you a movie to watch for the night or whenever you need to watch it. And the movie name is Maharaj. Yes, it's not your typical Nollywood movie. In short, this is an Indian movie, but it has English transcriptions. They speak English throughout in the movie, so don't worry about reading for those that don't want to be reading the movies. Now, where to watch this movie? You can watch the movie on Nikiri. Okay, just go to your Google and type down Nikiri, then you can watch the movie from there. You can download the movie and watch from there. Now, as I always bring to you, I tell you guys, I don't bring standard just everyday movies to you. I bring movies that you will watch and learn something. Now, this movie, I recommend it for every Nigerian. Especially, see, Nigerians, let's be truthful, we can be blind to the truth. So, I recommend that all Nigerians watch this movie. Now, I learned three things from this movie. First of all, I learned not to follow culture and tradition blindly. See, we all have a conscience. God gave us our conscience for a reason, so we should use it right. Secondly, it's important you know God for yourself. See, don't wait for anybody, any pastor, any imam to let you know who God is. Know God for yourself. And thirdly, stand firm in the truth, even in the midst of obstacles. Even when people are going against you, stand firm in the truth. See, it might tarry, but the truth will always win at the end of the day. Yes, I believe that you might go through obstacles, you might go through pain, but the truth will always win. So thank you guys. I hope you guys watched the movie. Come down on my comment section and comment what you learned after watching the movie, okay? And at this point, I'll beg of you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please, please, please don't forget to subscribe. I beg you. Subscription is totally free and it will be an encouragement to continue doing the Lord's work, as I call it. Thank you very much. Bye. Mwah.